Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your content strategy with CoSchedule, detailed guide step by step clearly. To scale your content strategy with CoSchedule, start by creating a cohesive content plan.
Log into your CoSchedule account. Navigate to the calendar section in the dashboard. Start by defining your target audience and their needs. Use the audience tool to outline user personas. Identify topics that resonate with your audience. Utilize the content research feature for inspiration. Create a content calendar using CoSchedule's drag-and-drop interface. Plan your content types, such as blog posts, social media, and email marketing. Set deadlines for each piece of content. Assign team members to specific tasks for accountability. Leverage the task feature to create a step-by-step workflow for each project. Integrate CoSchedule with your existing tools like WordPress, Google Analytics, and social media platforms. Monitor your content performance using built-in analytics. Adjust your strategy based on engagement metrics. Utilize the requeue feature to automatically reshare high-performing content. Schedule your posts for optimal times using CoSchedule's best time to post feature. Review and refine your content strategy regularly based on audience feedback. This structured approach will help you scale your content strategy effectively with CoSchedule. Consistency and collaboration are key to achieving your content goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.